Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another wig install video. Obviously today's wig is being sponsored by Isee hair. This is their beautiful hot pink packaging that this lace frontal wig comes in. Super cute tote bag and box. So this is what the lace frontal wig looks like straight out of the box, girl. It is giving pre-plucked lace. It is giving pre-bleached knots. The lace on this wig has already been cut as well. So this is pretty much going to be a quick, easy, and simple install. So this install is going to be perfect for my girls who is on the go, or my girls who don't have the skills but want that bust down natural look. So let's go ahead and get into this install from Isee hair. So real quick before I actually install the wig, let's talk about the construction of this wig. So this is a dome cap type of a wig. It is not like your traditional lace frontal wig. It does not come with like the wefts that you can see throughout the wig. This wig does not come with any combs or bands in the back of the wig. However, this particular dome cap wig is stretchable and it is also breathable. You definitely can also add a adjustable band to this wig as well. This type of dome cap definitely reminds me of the wig caps like back in the day when we used to sew or hot glue wigs onto like our dome caps or whatever. So it's very standard and easy to put the wig on. You simply put the band on your head and flip it over, and just like this, the wig is on your head. So I'm actually pleased that this wig fits so snug on my head. Sometimes when I get these type of wigs with this dome cap structure, it does give like a loose fit, but this actually fits pretty good on my head. Also, this wig does come with the pre-plucked lace, so I don't have to worry about cutting the lace on this wig. As you can see, I can easily remove the wig, and the lace definitely blends into the skin. Just have to do a little bit of tweaking to get it to be a little bit more invisible within the skin. So yeah, girl, this is definitely going to be a bomb install. So I know y'all see how good this lace looks and how well it blended into my skin, but just in case you're blind and you can't see it, I wanted to slow the video down and zoom in on this hairline. The lace on this wig is so beautiful, so thin, so natural looking, like it is crazy. And the texture on this wig, y'all know I'm not really a fan of silky straight hair, but this wig right here and this bomb ass hairline, oh baby, it eats. because I decided to do a curved side part with this wig, I did want to add like a baby hair, and I low-key changed my mind, but then I said, nah, I want to do a baby hair, but I'm just going to do a little one. And so that's what I did right here. So you definitely can do like, baby hairs and still get a super clean, natural lace install, but I had to do me like a little small baby hair right there. And then it's been a while since I tied my hair down with paper, but basically with the paper, it just helps give a more meltdown look. It helps with the hold of your spray or your glue, whatever you use, and it just helps keep like the baby hairs or whatever in place. So now I'm just straightening my hair because that's the look that I'm going for. This hair already comes straight. Well, no, I'm lying. The original texture of his hair is not straight. It kind of had like a small wave to it, which I like because y'all know I'm not really a fan of super straight hair or straight hair, because sometimes I like to add curls to my hair, and I honestly feel that when your hair is too straight, curls just don't last. And I like a wig that's diverse as far as like just the styling capabilities. So yeah, girl. But yeah, you can see it right here that this wig is not bone straight. It definitely has like a little bit of crimp to it. So if you wanted to curl this hair, it will definitely hold a curl just because it already has some texture to it. I'm not sure what the density is on this wig, but it is on the full side for it to be a straight wig. So the lace looks good, hairline looks real nice, but my sideburns need work. So I'm going in with the Got To Be Glue gel because this works best on my sideburns. Anytime you apply gel to my hair, girl, it curls right on up and tries to run away. So the Got To Be Glue is the only thing that does not do that. So this is what the hair looks like from the roots to the end. Like I said, super full wig. I'm not sure what the density is. I wish I knew that because yeah, this is a real nice full wig. Now the ends is a little on the raggedy side, so I did, girl, yeah. So I did go ahead and just clip the ends very lightly. I did not take 2-3 inches out this wig at all. I cut very lightly, just to give a more even, clean look. And y'all, look at this wig. It's so pretty. I do feel like I could have went through one more time with some heat just to get more of those crimps out of the hair. But I was like, girl, this is it. This does it for me. This is super cute. So I'm gonna keep playing with my hair a little bit more because I'm just in love with it. Okay, girl. So at this point, ain't nothing really changing. This wig is so cute, y'all. It's so pretty. I have a coupon code below in the description bar, so make sure you check it out. I would definitely suggest this wig. I have worked with Isee hair before, and I do not remember their wigs serving like this. So this is one of the wigs that I would definitely suggest that you check out. I mean, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, pre-plucked lace. The lace is giving. The hair is amazing. Like, this wig is so pretty, y'all. And the simple fact that I did not have to do anything really to this wig but straighten it. Girl, listen. Child, I ain't got time to be doing all the extra stuff that come with a wig. I really don't. So this is my big one. Like, this is what I need in my life. Look at how beautiful this wig is. And it's so versatile. And I can part this wig anywhere. And it's going to give natural vibes all day long. That's what we look for in a wig. So make sure you check out Isee Hair. Highly recommend this wig. It's super flat, natural wig. Yeah, check them out. See y'all in the next video.